I'm vlogging today. It's probably like the first vlog after that Montreal one because even though I tried to film stuff after that, I just wasn't feeling it. Now it's like 12 p.m. I already had a dentist appointment this morning to get a teeth cleaning because that was long overdue. And then I actually filmed a sit-down video, so you get some content variety. For the rest of the day, I have class at 4:30 and then I have class at 6:30, and so before that I need to prep dinner. I need to maybe edit that video that I did and just like get that over with, and I also need to go pick up a library book that I put on hold and go to the dollar store maybe. So I just finished dinner, and it was just pasta sauce, so I just finished that so I could eat it when I get home from everything in class and everything. So yeah, just going to the library now. Okay, so I got inspired by Violet and I kind of want to paint, but I'm at the dollar store because I don't want to actually spend any money. So I don't know if I should get like big paints or like these ones, because I like these ones, but the red's kind of orangey and I want like a pinkier red, so I don't know. Also paintbrushes, I don't know which ones are good because they're all dollar store, I don't know. So it's like almost 10. We had to, our class ended at 9:30, but the bus is coming now. Welcome back. I mean, I guess welcome back to me because you're just like watching it through. Whatever. Okay, my brain's kind of not working. I'm kind of in a rush because it's currently exactly 10 and I need to get on the bus at 10:30 so I can make work at 11. It's like kind of a long explanation. No, not really. So the bus comes at 10:30 and then 10:47, and I can't take the 10:47 bus because it might be late and then I'll miss getting to work on time, so I have to leave like earlier. But yeah, I have to I just got ready and I'm just making some oatmeal now. I discovered oatmeal maybe like a week ago. I've literally never had it before then, and now I'm obsessed. Like, I can't stop eating it. I always add cocoa powder to the milk before I add the oatmeal in it because it makes it chocolatey, and then I add strawberries and bananas. Anyway, it's really yummy, but I'm gonna go do that now. Bye. I'm on my work, so I'll see you later. All right, I'm gonna talk to you later. You'll see me though. This is it! So it's just like cocoa powder and the oatmeal, and then I added some honey and a whole banana and some flowers. You have snow on your eyebrows. We're at a house viewing. It's really cold and snowy. Hi, we're back home now. I'm back home now. I had work from 11 to 2, and then we had 2 house viewings. We're moving next year, for the next school year I mean, so we're trying to find like a place to live. We have an assignment due tomorrow or tonight or something, but it's a group assignment. Probably have to work on that for a bit, and then I want to paint today, so I think I'm gonna do that. I also want to edit the video that I filmed yesterday. Anyway, lots of stuff to do, but like I'm super excited and I'm in a really good mood and okay. Okay, so this is what I made. I literally never used acrylic paint before, and I haven't painted since grade 10. And I don't know how to do, I don't know what I'm doing. I wish like the white on this leaf was a bit whiter, but the way this canvas, I don't know if this is for everything, I literally have no experience, but this canvas, I feel like I needed a lot of paint to get a very opaque coverage. So it was kind of annoying because it wasn't working no matter what I did, so I just left it. Yeah, so that was fun. I'm probably gonna try to practice more so I can get a bit better at this because I enjoy it a lot. And I like having little paintings because when we went to Violet's house in Montreal, she just had like her and her roommate, like, wow, I'm saying like a lot, okay. Her and her roommate, they just like paint stuff and then put it up in their apartment, and it makes it very personal and cute, and I wanted to do that. So I want to get good at it before we move next year so we can like decorate our home nicely. Anyway, that's it. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm probably not gonna do much for the rest of the day. See you later. Gare, say bye. See you tomorrow. Say it.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks. Look at that nose. It's such a good shape. Also, before I go, I don't think I showed you. We added string lights that makes it look really nice now. Woohoo! Good morning. I just did some yoga, as you could tell. It was really short, like 10 minutes I think. It's because I really wanted to do yoga, but I work at 11 again. It's like almost 9:30 now. I woke up at 9, but I was like, I need to get it in, and so yeah, that's what happened. And then I followed like a 5-minute yoga video from you on YouTube, and then I just did my own stuff for like another 5. Yeah, so work at 11 again today. And then I only have 1 class today. I don't remember exactly what time it is, but it's definitely after work. I think it might be 2:30, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day yet, but my battery is dying on this camera, so I need to charge it before I can film anything else anyway. So yeah. I'm just gonna eat oatmeal for breakfast again because, oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. I can't stop eating it. It keeps me full for so long, and I just love how it tastes. It's so weird because I've been avoiding oatmeal for my entire life because I'm like, oh my god, it's like gross. It's like eating baby, like, I'm not baby food, but like the texture, like I have a weird thing with textures when I eat stuff, so I was worried that the texture of oatmeal would bother me, but I actually enjoy it a lot, so yeah. Picking up some goodies for dinner. It's making me super hungry. Back home, and we are starting with the shake. Welcome back. I didn't end up vlogging anything after, I mean for yesterday, pretty much. Mostly because I didn't really do anything that was very vloggable. Anyway, so today I already went to the gym. I've like never went to the gym in the daytime ever. I don't know, I've always gone at night, but I think I like morning gym better. Feel productive already and you just feel like you can do whatever you want, you know? Anyways, I'm just making some food. I'm trying out, I've never tried brown rice, so I'm doing this like brown rice, black bean, corn. Actually, I don't have black beans, I use kidney beans. Corn, and then like some salsa type thing. Yeah, I'll show you that in a sec, but also I also have to film a video today, like, yeah, so I'm gonna do that and then we'll see what happens next. Hi, okay, so I ate. It was actually really yummy. I highly recommend it. Yeah, probably was, I don't even have words, it was just perfect. Anyway, yeah, so filming now. I have everything set up. I got a tripod, by the way, and it's like extremely helpful because I can film anywhere now. I mean like anywhere in terms, like I don't have to prop like boxes and stuff, stack them to film anything. But yeah, I kicked Garrett out, like I'm making him leave the room, so he's like going to get a haircut because I just can't film sit down videos because they're so uncomfortable, you know, like just talking to a camera, and then makes it worse when, you know, someone's listening to you. Oh, okay. So I told him to leave. I just finished filming that video. I honestly have no idea how it came out. Like at this point I literally don't know if anything I filmed in that hour was useful, so we'll see. So I just ate dinner. It was just pasta because I had leftover pasta sauce from like a few days ago, so I ate that. And then for tonight I'm going to go see my friend from high school. He's in a band, so he's performing at a house party and me and my friends are gonna attend. So if anything interesting happens I'll vlog on my phone, but if not then whatever, the vlog would end here.